New Orleans is a city renowned for its rich history, unique architectural styles, and vibrant culture. From the iconic French Quarter to the charming Garden District, the city is filled with homes that boast distinct character. As a homeowner in New Orleans, you likely want your house to reflect the city's elegance and warmth, while also offering comfort and functionality. One of the best ways to achieve this is by installing bay windows. Bay windows are an excellent choice for New Orleans homes due to their timeless design, ability to bring in natural light, and versatility in terms of space and functionality. These windows are not only beautiful but also offer practical benefits, making them a perfect fit for the architectural diversity and weather conditions of New Orleans. In this article, we'll explore why bay windows are an ideal addition to your home and how they can enhance its beauty, comfort, and value. Architectural charm and elegance. New Orleans is known for its eclectic mix of architectural styles, from traditional Creole cottages to modern homes with touches of Victorian, Italian, and colonial influence. Bay windows seamlessly blend into many of these design aesthetics, offering both a classic look and an elevated sense of space. A bay window extends outward from your home, creating a striking architectural feature that adds depth and dimension to your exterior. Whether your home is a historic French Quarter townhouse or a more contemporary residence, bay windows contribute to a timeless elegance that enhances the overall aesthetic. In fact, bay windows are often associated with classic, upscale design, and they instantly elevate the curb appeal of your property. Maximizing natural light and stunning views. One of the standout features of bay windows is their ability to let in abundant natural light. The three-pane design of a typical bay window, comprising a central fixed window with two angled side windows, creates a wider and more expansive view of the outdoors, allowing more sunlight to stream into your home. This is particularly important in New Orleans, where the subtropical climate can bring a lot of rain, and sunlight can be a scarce commodity on overcast days. Bay windows are perfect for creating bright, welcoming spaces inside your home, especially in living rooms, dining rooms, and kitchens, where natural light is important for creating a warm atmosphere. Not only do they bring light into your home, but they also allow you to enjoy panoramic views of the city, gardens, or streetscapes, whether it's the historic charm of St. Charles Avenue or the lush greenery of your backyard. Creating extra space in smaller rooms. In New Orleans, many homes have compact rooms or unique layouts, and finding ways to maximize space is essential. Bay windows provide an elegant solution by creating additional usable space in a room without the need for structural expansion. The extended area created by the bay allows you to place a cozy window seat, use the space for storage, or even create a small reading nook where you can enjoy the view and natural light. In small kitchens, living rooms, or bedrooms, bay windows help optimize space by adding a functional corner or alcove without taking up too much floor area. This extra space is not only practical but can also be used for decorative purposes. Imagine filling the nook with plants, soft cushions, or art pieces, making it a charming area that enhances the room's overall atmosphere. Enhanced ventilation and comfort. New New Orleans is known for its humid summers, which can make indoor spaces feel stuffy and uncomfortable. Bay windows allow for better ventilation by opening up three sides of the window to create a cross breeze. This is especially beneficial if your home doesn't have central air conditioning or if you prefer to rely on natural airflow to keep your home comfortable. By opening the side windows of your bay window, you can enjoy a gentle breeze that flows through the room, helping to cool down the space and improve indoor air quality. During mild weather, bay windows can reduce your reliance on air conditioning, which can lead to energy savings and a more eco-friendly home. Increased home value. Bay windows are a sought-after feature that can significantly increase the value of your home. Whether you're planning to sell your home in the future or simply want to enhance its appeal, bay windows are an investment that offers both aesthetic and practical benefits. Their timeless appeal and ability to enhance natural light and space make them a desirable feature for potential buyers. In a city like New Orleans, where unique architectural elements are highly valued, bay windows contribute to the overall charm and sophistication of your home. They can set your property apart in a competitive real estate market, making it more attractive to prospective buyers. Durability and weather resistance. New Orleans homes are often subjected to challenging weather conditions, including heavy rain, high wind, and humid air. Bay windows made from high-quality materials, such as fiberglass, vinyl, or wood-clad options, offer durability and weather resistance. These materials are built to withstand the elements, ensuring that your windows remain functional and attractive for years to come. Additionally, bay windows are designed to be tightly sealed, which helps protect against drafts, water infiltration, and the growth of mold and mildew, a common concern in the humid climate of New Orleans. With proper installation and maintenance, bay windows provide long-lasting performance and protection against the city's unpredictable weather. Conclusion. Bay windows are an excellent choice for New Orleans homeowners, offering a perfect balance of elegance, functionality, and comfort. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's curb appeal, maximize natural light, or create a cozy nook, bay windows can transform any room into a bright and inviting space. Their ability to increase usable space, improve ventilation, and add timeless charm makes them a valuable investment for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetics and value. If you're considering bay windows for your New Orleans home, consult with a local window expert to explore the best options for your style, needs, and budget. With the right bay windows, you can enjoy a more beautiful, functional, and comfortable living space for years to come.